everyone, today I'm sharing a super simple bread recipe made with just 4 basic ingredients. It's really easy to make and completely sugar-free. Here are the ingredients you need for the simple bread. 500 gram bread flour, 10 gram salt, 7 gram instant yeast, 320 to 350 milliliter water. First, combine the bread flour, instant yeast, salt, and about 300 ml of water. Mix and knead the dough by hand or with a stand mixer. When making bread, never add all the water at once, because different flours absorb moisture differently. Some flours need less water, so it's always better to add the water gradually until the dough reaches the right consistency. Now the dough is slowly coming together and starting to hold its shape, as you can see in the video. This is the stage where the gluten starts to form and the dough becomes smoother. I added the remaining 50 ml of water because the dough needed a little more to come together. To see if our dough is kneaded enough, we do the window pane test. Just take a small pieces of dough and gently stretch it with your fingers. If it stretches into a thin, almost see-through layer without tearing, it means the gluten is ready and the dough is good to go. If it tears, just knead it a little more. As you can see in the video, the dough is ready and doesn't need any more kneading. At this stage, grease a bowl with some oil and place the dough inside. Let it rest for about 20 minutes. After resting for 20 minutes, your dough will look like this, as you can see in the video. Now divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Now we shape the dough just like you see in the video. Now line a baking tray with parchment paper and gently place the dough pieces on it. Spray some water over the dough and cover it. Let it rest for 45 to 60 minutes until it doubles in size. After resting, the dough will look like this, just as you can see in the video. First, sprinkle some flour on the dough, then make cuts with a blade. If you don't have a blade, you can use a baker's knife. Make sure to wet the blade or knife before cutting the dough. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After that, place the breads in the oven and put a tray of boiling water underneath them. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes and your breads will be ready. And that's it. Your simple sugar-free bread is ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy recipes. See you next time.